Hello and welcome to Selection with Sathi. Today we explore attribute descriptors from Fluent Python Chapter 24. Descriptors are the mechanism behind property, methods, class method, and static method. We will learn the descriptor protocol, _set_name, the difference between data and non-data descriptors, and practical patterns. The descriptor protocol consists of three special methods, _get, _set, and _delete. Any class that implements at least one of these is a descriptor. _get is called when you read the attribute. _set is called when you assign to it. _delete is called when you use the. The critical rule, descriptors must be defined as class variables, not instance variables, otherwise Python won't invoke the protocol. _set_name solves the naming problem elegantly. Before Python 3.6, you had to pass the attribute name to the descriptor manually, creating ugly duplication like weight equals quantity of weight. Now Python calls _set_name on each descriptor at class creation time, passing the owner class and the attribute name as arguments. The descriptor stores this name and uses it as the storage key in the instance dictionary. No duplication, no magic strings. There are two kinds of descriptors with different priority rules. A data descriptor implements _set or _delete. It takes the highest priority, it overrides the instance dictionary. A non-data descriptor only implements _get. The instance dictionary can shadow it by storing a value with the same name. The full lookup order is data descriptor first, then instance dict, then non-data descriptor, then the class dict. Overriding and non-overriding are alternate names for data and non-data descriptors. An overriding descriptor intercepts writes to the instance. When you assign obj.attr, _set is called, the instance dict is not touched. A non-overriding descriptor does not intercept writes. Assigning obj.attr puts the value directly in the instance dictionary, which shadows the descriptor. _get is never called again for that instance. This distinction explains why property blocks direct assignment but plain methods don't. When should you use descriptors versus property? Use property for simple managed attributes on a single class. It's concise and readable. Switch to descriptors when the same validation logic needs to apply across multiple classes. Always store per instance data in the instance dictionary, not on the descriptor itself, otherwise all instances would share the same value. And always implement _set if you want to control assignment, because without it the instance dict will shadow your descriptor.
The quantity descriptor validates that values are positive. In _set_name, it stores the attribute name. In _set, it checks if the value is greater than 0. If not, it raises value error with the field name in the message. The validated value is stored in the instances dictionary using self.name as the key. Now, any class can declare weight equals quantity and price equals quantity, and both fields automatically enforce positive values. The validated abstract base class takes this pattern further. It handles _set_name and _set, but delegates the actual validation to an abstract method called validate. Subclass like positive, NonBlank, or in range just implement validate. This gives you a family of descriptors that share the same storage logic but differ in their validation rules, a clean application of the template method pattern. NonBlank extends validated to reject empty or white space-only strings. Its validate method checks, is the value a string, and does it have non-white space content? If not, it raises value error. You can declare customer equals non-blank on any model class. Assigning an empty string or just spaces raises an error immediately. Write the validation once in the descriptor and reuse it everywhere. Here's a mind-bending fact. Regular Python functions are descriptors. A function object has a _get method but no _set, making it a non-data descriptor. When you access a function through an instance, _get is called with the instance and its class, and it returns a bound method. That bound method holds a reference to the instance, which becomes the self argument. This is how Python implements methods, its descriptors all the way down.
Key tips for working with descriptors. Always use _set_name so the descriptor discovers its name automatically. Store per instance values in the instance dictionary, never on the descriptor itself. Implement _set if you need to validate assignments. Without it, the instance dict will shadow your descriptor. And remember, functions, class method, and static method are all built on descriptors. Understanding them unlocks how Python really works. For more concept videos like this, download the Selection with Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.